Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome on board. Today's video is about this quick hairdo. All you need is some gel with firm hold and a braid with natural looking curls. Let's get into the process. So this hairdo calls for only 2 steps. Putting your hair up in a sleek bun, and then the next step is attaching the braid. So on to the first step, I have used a styler gel. I find it very effective on natural hair, but you could grab any gel which works for you. And to help you slick back your hair, you need Hairbrush. Actually, what I'm using is a shoe brush, which I find it very hard for shoes, so I opted to keep it for my hair. So just put your hair up until you're satisfied with the slickness, and then use an hairbun to secure it very tightly, because it's the bun which will act as a foundation for your braid, where you will attach the braid. If you have baby hairs, lay them down, and then from there you can put your satiny cloth. You can tie your hair with the satiny cloth. So in the few minutes while our bun is setting, we can prep the hair. I'm actually using afro kinky. I wanted Marley hair, but I could not get it anywhere in Nairobi. So I used afro kinky by detangling it and making it look more natural. Let me show you. I used to actually have the hair, and this is what it looked like after I detangled it. Yeah. So this is so set, nice. So we can now put our bun on, and we will be good to go. So what you want to do is just attach the hairband on the top of your bun, and then you want to take like half the section of the hair and then wrap it around. Like this is the first half. Wrap it around like I'm doing here. So if you could get Marley hair, it looks more natural. It goes very well with 4C hair. So yeah, if you could grab that, please do. But if you can't, improvise like me, afro kinky by darling, and yeah, you'll have your hairdo quick one. So when you get to the end of the braid, just use bobby pins to pin it down and secure the whole thing. You can use 2 of them depending on how much you need. So I'm just securing that like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap the other half of the hair, and that's the whole process. I'll be done. I'll then show you the end result. And hey, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel and if you like my videos, please make sure you subscribe down below. If you like my videos, give them a thumbs up, and I'll appreciate if you share it with your friends if you like. Alright, let's get back to business. So I'm just pinning the hair down like so. So once at one half, you take clockwise, the other anti-clockwise, just to make the whole thing become a bit firmer. So that's it. That's actually it. This thing, this hairdo not thing, you can do it in under 10 minutes if you, yeah, you slick your hair back, put the satiny cloth on, you can go shower or do your makeup, and then after that, some few minutes, you put the braid on. Thank you so much for tuning in and for watching up to the end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.